What is up, YouTube? Trade Mode James coming at you this morning with this video. I was not going to make a video, but I decided to do it because I think you guys need to hear this and see this. Guys, today is, it's terrible. The market is getting annihilated, guys. It really is, all right? There's some good news and some bad news, all right? Let me start with the bad news. All right, the bad news is that we broke down below that $13 I thought we would never do again. We made our way back down to 12, 12.50, 12.20, and we made our way all the way down here to about, what was this? Almost $10, guys. Almost $10, all right? That's the bad news. The bad news is that we dropped pretty damn low today. All right, the good news is that we're touching this trend line. We're about to bounce off this trend line. I for the life of me, I could not imagine how we could go past this trend line. If it goes past the trend line, guys, I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm just gonna write it out. All right, this is a big trend line. All right, you can see here on the 4-hour. Also some more good news, actually. I forgot about this. We're still trading above the 200 SMA on the 4-hour chart. All right, so that's good. That's there's still a pretty big gap there. That's good news, guys. Honestly, it really is. That's just proof that this is short-term loss. These are short-term losses, all right? Guys, do not take your losses. New traders, please listen to me. Do not realize those losses. They're not real until you hit sell, okay? Please know that. Realize that. Let it click. Let it sink in. You do not lose a dime until you press sell, all right? This stock could go to $1. You will not lose a dime until you press sell, all right? Seriously. I'm not saying the stock's going to go to $1. My point is that it could go to $1 and you could be down a lot of money, but you don't really lose that money until you press sell. Please know that, all right? Number two, don't let your emotions dictate your actions, guys, all right? That's just a life lesson. That's in every aspect of life. Do not let your emotions dictate your actions. You will be in a bad spot almost every single time. Guys, we're back up to 11.13 now, okay? We're making our way off this trend line. That's good news, guys, okay? Like I said, I made this video because I want you guys to hear this, all right? If I pull this fib from this move right here, you guys can see that this is basically just a retracement. I mean, we're touching this 61.8, and it looks like we're bouncing off here. The 61.8 is about where this trend line is, guys. That's not coincidence, all right? All this stuff is, the universe comes together in weird ways, guys, all right? When a stock retraces, it usually retraces about 50 to 61.8%, and then it goes back up. That's just the way it works. Fib works because people believe in it, all right? Just know that. Everyone's seeing this fib right here. Everyone knows that at 50%, oh, if a stock retraces 50%, we got to buy. Okay, this stock is retraced 61.8%. So we're touching this trend line here, guys. I don't see us going any lower than this. I'm not going to say we're not going to, because obviously these market makers can do whatever the hell they want to do. But I don't see it going lower than this trend line ever. But I was wrong the last 2 days, so who knows? I'm going to stop calling out bottoms because I just don't know. But I can tell you this, it looks good for us right now because, like I said, we are trading a lot lower than we wanted to be trading, but we're touching this trend line, guys. We need these touches to get momentum going up like this. We need it. All right, a stock doesn't just go up forever. It retraces, and there's a lot of power behind this trend line right here. We're at the 61.8 level, percent level. That's really good. All right, that means we probably, if we're not at the bottom now, we're close to it, guys. Okay, seriously, because this trend line right here, if you look at it, it's pretty much touching that trend line. Okay, around $9.98, around $10. Okay, that to me that seems like it would be the bottom at this point. I mean, I don't see why or how it would go any lower. I know people aren't selling right now. That would be the stupidest move in the world to be down 61.8% or whatever, a retracement of 61.8%, and you sell your shares. That's stupid. Wait for it to go back up. If you want to sell, at least wait till it goes back to 20. It's going to go back to 20, guys, okay? It's just inevitable. We got an earnings call coming on the 11th, all right? Hopefully that's good news, and I truly believe that we're going to be back in the $20 range in the next 30 days. I just really do. And it's not because I'm invested. It's because that's what the charts are telling me. This is a standard retracement from this big move up, okay? It just is. If I move my fib up further to this move, you guys can see this. This is a little bit more retracement. That's why I pulled it from the actual start of the move. All right, so we're at a 78.6 retracement here, but we're still touching the trend line, guys, all right? That's good news. We've bounced off this trend line. This trend line looks like it's creating some support. We have some support right here at this line. You can see this is some support right here. All right, this was resistance at this $9.80 range level right here. This was resistance. All right, we broke through it, and now hopefully this turns into some support, which it looks like it will because there's a trend line going right there. Okay, we're at the trend line. Guys, hold strong, hold tight. Don't sell your shares. There's no point in selling them right now. Excuse me, there's no point in selling. What are you going to sell for? I mean, for what reason? Do you want to lose money? Because if you want to lose money and you like losing money, go ahead and sell your shares. By all means, I'm not going to tell you what to do. Some people are very sadistic and just feel pain. They just like to feel pain. Sell your shares if you want to feel some pain, all right? But if you like money and you're in this for the long term and don't sell your shares, because you got to remember why you invested in the first place, okay? You did not invest because of candlesticks. You invested because of the technology that Microvision has and their possibility to change the future of automated cars. Guys, they have the technology, all right? They've prepped themselves for buyout. They've come a long way in the last 10 years. They did make a peep for 10 years, and now all of a sudden all this is happening. This is a volatile stock. We're in volatile times. This is a volatile market. Hold strong, guys, okay? Go do something else. Get off the charts. Get off Reddit. Get off Webull. Get off Robinhood. Go work out. Go do something. Get out of here. Don't stare at this all day. You're just going to depress yourself, all right? We're still trading above the 200 SMA, like I said, on the 4 hour. That's really good news. We got the volume of... It's going up. The volume's going up, guys. This is actually really good. Whew. I know you guys can't see me right now, but I actually just sighed a sigh of relief because I see the volume going up. We were at 7 million not that long ago, so the volume's gone up. I think a lot of people are stepping in right now. Volume on all three of these LiDAR companies have gone up. We've gone down a little bit in percentage on our losses, so that's good. Guys, this is market manipulation. We need to hold strong, okay? This has nothing to do with the company. This has nothing to do with your investment in the company. This is the market, all right? The makers are doing what they do. They're trying to get you to sell. They want to make money on the way down. They want to make money on the way up. Fuck them. Hold your shares. Do not sell. Be strong, guys, all right? I wasn't going to make this video till the market closed, but I have to, because I know I have a lot of new traders that are following me. I've got a lot of messages about new traders asking me what I think is going to happen. Guys, I can't predict the stock market. All I can do is read the price action, okay? Tell you what I think is going to happen. We've gone lower than I thought. We're touching this trend line. That's great news, guys. That's actually good news, to be honest with you. It really is. To see this wick down here on this trend line, and we didn't break the trend line, that's good news. That means it's got power. That means it's respected. And if I showed you this line of support right here, that's respected as well. Hopefully this is going to get respected. If this gets respected after today, like I said, if we don't break past this trend line today, I will confidently say that this, whatever this, what is this right here? 980. I'm going to say 980 is our absolute bottom. I mean, I got my hands on my head right now. I'm trying to convince myself that it could go lower, because it might, but I don't think it will. I don't think it will. But then again, I didn't think we were going to see sub $13, so, and we did. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Take what I say with a grain of salt. Please just know that I've done my DD on this company, and I'm highly invested in it, and I would never sell right now, ever. I only made this video because I really want you guys to know you don't lose a dollar unless you click sell, all right? Stop looking at the charts today. Take your girlfriend out for a nice dinner tonight. Celebrate that you're in a company that's going to boom soon. And, you know, excuse me, it is what it is right now, guys. All right. RSI is showing highly oversold, obviously. I'm not sure when we're going to start seeing this dip back up, but I would imagine it's going to be fairly soon. Like I said, our volume is increasing pretty quickly, pretty rapid pace, actually. It just is 10.61 million. We were almost at 7 million about 45 minutes ago, an hour ago. So that's not a bad thing, guys. We need the volume to go back up. For sure, we need volume, all right? So if you know, I hate to tell somebody to buy into a company that's on a downtrend, but this is a great time to get in, guys. It really is. I mean, it's a good time. If you want to lower your average cost, now's a great time to add on. If you're new to the company and you're thinking about investing, this is a good time to get in. But just know, guys, it's a volatile stock. It's volatile times, all right? We got this earnings call on the 11th. We got April coming up with the sample. Guys, this stock's going to be at $20 before the end of April, okay? We're going to make our money back. I'm down $10,000 today, just so you guys know. So by no means am I taking this move lightly, okay? I'm down $10,000 on my own money, but I'm not... $10,000, I would imagine I would be worried about it, but it's for some reason I'm just not. It's because I've done the DD on this company and I know where it's going and I know its potential. All right, guys, this is market manipulation. All right, and just remember this is a huge deal too. This is a standard retracement. Okay, 61.8% from the big move, from the original move up to 980 and then back down and then back up. So if I pull the fib from right here, we're at 61.8%, which is exactly where this trend line is, which is exactly where this level of resistance / support is. So we need this to become support, guys. All right, and I think it will. I think we're going to get back up in here. It just doesn't make sense that we would go below this trend line. Price action wise, I just can't even, I can't put it together in my brain. So we're at this trend line. This is a big trend line too. If I look at the daily chart, we're just bouncing off this trend line, guys. That's all that's happening here. We come down 61.8% retracement and we're bouncing off this trend line. All right. It just is what it is. Now, if I pull it from this move, we're at about a 78.6% retracement, but I don't like to pull it that close. I think it's just better to just pull it from the original move, which is right here. And it's going to show you that we're at about 61.8%, right around this trend line, right around the 50 SMA on the daily. And guys, I think we're still on the daily, we're still trading above the 50 and the 200, guys. So, I mean, like I said, I don't know where the absolute bottom's going to be. At this point, like I said, I'm not going to even try to speculate, but price action wise, I would say that this trend line and this level, this line of support right here is going to be the bottom. I mean, I could see us bouncing up off of here, honestly, pretty soon. Probably by the end of the day, guys. We're already back to 1123. That's good. Volume's coming in, 10.61 million. We're doing all right volume wise. It could be better. I hope it will be better. GME, oh my God, I freaking hate GME. It's such a buzzkill to see GME up. I know there's a lot of people invested in that company, but oh my God, like guys, put your money in something that's going to make you some money long term and stop sitting a bag holding waiting for a squeeze. Take your profits right now. Seriously, get out of that. Get in something good. Put your money in Microvision. This is a perfect time to get in Microvision. Oh man, I wish I had another 10K to invest right now. I would do it. I put it straight into Microvision right this second. I actually loaded up another $1,000 right before I made this video. Guys, please, no, do not sell, okay? Let's hold strong. This is bouncing off the trend line here. We got to see what happens the next couple days in the early next week to really know what's going to happen, okay? I think we're not going to see too much momentum today. I think we're probably going to hover around this price for the rest of the day and close probably around $11, I would imagine. If we close above 11, I'll be happy about it. But I had to make this video, guys, because I want you guys to know it's not a good time to sell. All right, new traders, don't sell. Don't realize the losses. They're not real yet until you press sell. Guys, as far as my YouTube channel, let me bring this up real quick. Awesome here, guys. Awesome. I have 120 subscribers. Somehow 120 people have decided that I am worth listening to. That's pretty cool. I hope I'm doing okay, guys. I hope I'm doing a good job. I plan to make the videos better as time goes by. Got a webcam coming in on Monday. We're gonna do some live action trading. Hopefully Monday we see some kind of improvement in this market. But guys, who knows? You know. Just remember this, we have that earnings call coming on the 11th, and we got April coming up, so there's a lot of big things happening for this company. Stay strong, guys. Hold tight. Go do something else for today. Trust me, do something else. Don't worry about this, all right? This is a standard retracement. Stocks don't go up forever. Stocks go up and stocks go down. That's what Reddit says. That's what my friend Chartology says, guys. They do. They go up and they go down. They retrace, they go back up. This is upward momentum. We're still up $3 for the month, guys, okay? Seriously, we're still up, all right, from this move. I mean, look at this. When was this? December 20? So, I mean, 3 months, we went all the way up to $24. Now we retraced. It is what it is, guys. We're going to bounce this trend line like a basketball, and we're going to go back up. Guys, hold strong. Best of luck to us. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section of this video. Comments and likes help my algorithm, apparently. I didn't know that, so now I do. So I guess the more comments and likes I get, the more people that see the video. I really appreciate you guys. I got these t-shirts coming in. 5 t-shirts to 5 subscribers. 5 lucky subscribers get a Microvision t-shirt. I will announce the winners sometime next week. I'm still waiting for them to get here. But guys, hold strong. Please, please, please hold strong. Diamond hands. We got this, guys. Blood, sweat, and tears together. Trade Mode James signing out. Guys, have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday.